Welcome to the biggest fair in whole of Karnataka, the Sirsi Fair. You heard me right, we are going to another fair yet again. And this time it's not just any fair, it's the biggest fair. And it happens once in 2 years in a town called Sirsi, which is my native place. And by now you guys already might know how much I love going to fairs and festivals, based on bunch of videos I upload about fairs in my channel. So here we go again, even though this was recorded a few months ago.
ये कौन है भाई?
Anyway, we started driving from Mangalore, which takes about 6 hours give or take to reach Sirsi. We stopped at a restaurant to stretch up and eat something, because of course a drive without a rest stop is not a drive at all. A coffee and an onion dosa later, we hit the NH66 again. Later on, I got the wheel and we were almost on time for the sunset. Few hours later, the sun was already set. We stopped again for dinner. And we reached Sirsi at night, which was just about time for the fair. It was super energetic on the fair. I mean, you could literally feel people everywhere. It was so crowded and so lively. After seeing the goddess Marikamba, we went on to explore the fair. You get to see everything here. I mean, literally all sorts of foods, all sorts of rides, whatever you wished for. And the lights were so much so that even the sky around it looks lit up and pinkish. And that's where we were heading. So this is the main area of attraction of the whole fair. And then we decided to experience some of the rides, which were all pretty fun, of course. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 7th one which I'm sitting in right now. There are 7 total giant wheels in this fair. That's how big this fair is. Later we met up with the relatives and decided to go home. Even though it was almost 3 AM, there were so many people still on the streets. The scene was pretty cool and creepy behind all the fog. Even though it was pretty late at about 3 AM, the city was still lit up and lively. So we still bought some things and called the day off. The next day we freshened up and decided to go to a restaurant to meet and catch up with even some more relatives. क्या चाहिए? अच्छा, ठीक है. Lastly, we left for Mangalore where we stopped to see a temple and for dinner at Honavar and reached Mangalore at night. Thanks for watching.